100-day journey, abs edition, abdominal workouts, tutorial. These are beginners.
So, you just want to reach, shoulder blades back down.
Beginners abs workout that anyone can do. You don't have to be into fitness, you just gotta be willing to be a little fitter.
Reach to your ankle, you don't have to touch your ankle. You just gotta reach to touch your ankle.
That's the game. So whether you're young, whether you're old, you're never too old to do a little bit of workout and keep yourself fit and keep yourself healthy.
Reach to touch your ankle, shoulder blades back down. Reach to touch your ankle, engage in those abs. Make sure you engage in the abs each time.
You get old when you stop training. Number one rule, keep it going and never give up, no matter what you're doing.
It's not a stretch, it's not a quick hit.
So here we go. Step one
is just up the shoulder. Lift the shoulder blade up, touch. Lift shoulder blade up and touch.
Have a go, try it out, step by step. Ankle touch.